Hello friends, in this particular tutorial I will try to teach you how you can convert a old LED bulb to a decoration light, and that will work on 220 that is 220 voltage or 240 voltage, whichever you have. So it is very easy, the tutorial is very easy. So I hope you stay connected to the video till the end and you will learn lot of things. So first of all, what you need to do is just you need to take out the circuit from inside and do it very gently, otherwise you can break everything whichever you want to make. So we will directly make this particular circuit, and that will work on 240 voltage. Then you need a cardboard, whichever cardboard you can take. I am taking a very soft cardboard. I need to give it strength, so I will just use Febiglue and all that. I am using RGB lights, so you can use another LEDs as well. So I am using RGB lights. It gives a 3 color combination which looks really cool. I am using 5 pieces. The longer side is called as anode, which is positive, and the smaller is called cathode, which is negative. So you need to connect all the positive to one side, all the negative to one side, and make the circuit look like this. So then you need a 5 volt ampere charger. So you can remove the charger upper part and take this circuit and put it inside the particular LED, but in my case I am not using that. I will directly use the 240 voltage to give the strength. And here, since it is an AC bulb, so I am just putting positive and negative on the side and taking the positive side connected to positive and the negative side connected to negative. Solder it properly and attach the circuit. Cut the cardboard as accordingly the circuit looks like. Now it will fit in properly. Then you need a holder and put it like we made it positive and negative. The red wire here is positive and the black is negative, which you will connect to the charger. The charger wire has been cut from a mobile phone USB cable. So you will accordingly attach the positive and the negative. In the charger you will see the positive looks like a red, and the next wire is in maximum cases it is blue or it is black. From the USB cable I am talking about. Now see, it is working. If it is not working, then exchange the wires and then do it accordingly. And then what you need to do is you need to use the electrical tape and insulate the circuit so that there is no issues later on. Now it is working properly, right? I hope you like this particular tutorial. Please support us by give a like to the particular video and subscribe to the channel, which will help us and motivate us to make more and more videos in future.